You have many paranormal shows these days. Many, many paranormal shows that have psychics, that can see spirits, they do healing, they do exorcisms, they do clearing, they send a spirit into the light. There are many, many psychics these days that kind of go to a house and say, oh wow, there's this ghost here, there's this demon here, there's this spirit, and I'm going to send them into the light and clear them. You have hundreds of psychics and hundreds of paranormal shows these days. You just go on YouTube. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of paranormal shows where you see these psychics sending evil spirits into the light. Why doesn't one single Tibetan Lama send Dorje Shugden into the light? And then we never have to talk about him again. And then we can all unite, we can sit together, we can be friends, we can be one. Wouldn't that be very good? For example, if one great Tibetan Lama would send Dorje Shugden into the light and he has gone, he doesn't exist anymore. Even if we have pictures of him, tankas of him, we have statues of him, we have tsatsas of him, we have drawings of him, we're praying to a dead spirit, a dead god. So nobody should be afraid of a dead god, right? Nobody should be afraid of dead spirit. So why doesn't one Tibetan Lama do that? And if the Tibetan Lamas cannot send Dorje Shugden into the light, why don't they Google and find a psychic in Europe or America or in Asia and hire the psychic to send Dorje Shugden into the light? Then guess what? We don't need to be afraid of him anymore. We don't have to have websites against him. We don't need to write books against him. His Holiness the Dalai Lama don't need to speak against him. We don't have to separate the monasteries. We don't have to separate Dorje Shugden and alienate them and segregate them anymore. Then these people don't become Dorje Shugden people anymore. They become just people.